Hi, I'm Shelley. Thank you for joining me. If you're new, welcome. I'm going to be demonstrating how to make a puff flower, which is going to feature in my next tutorial, which I'm currently editing. And we'll start by chaining 5 and joining to the first stitch with a slip stitch, and then work 12 double crochet into the ring. Nice pink colour. This is like a neon pink. Please excuse the noise of my flipping air fryer. So we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to yarn over, and into the same stitch we're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and then we're going to go into the next stitch and do exactly the same. Yarn over, pull through 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to draw the yarn through all of the stitches and finish the stitch with a chain 1, and then you're going to chain 3 and work a slip stitch into the same stitch, and then we're going to go into the next stitch, slip stitch, chain 3, and then 3 puffs, so 1, 2, 3, and then 3 into the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, and yarn over and pull through all of the loops. Finish with the chain 1, chain 3, and slip stitch into the same stitch. So just repeat that over each 2 stitches all the way around, and then you should end up with 6 petals.